Welcome back, everybody. So it's my birthday, and I was very excited to get a present. It wasn't a birthday present, it just happened to come at the same time, but I got a couple of packages in the mail sent to me from my good friend and patron, Halloween Inflatable Geek. I will put a link to his channel in the description below. Make sure you check it out. He's a good guy, and I'm very excited to see what he sent me. So this is one that came first. It actually came a couple of days ago. I just haven't had a chance to open it yet. So here goes. It is a little sign. Trick or treat. There's two of them. I think he said there was a note. I don't see a note though. So unless it's in here, let me just open that up. I don't think it would be, but you never know. Nope, okay, no note. So maybe it's in the other one. But we have some trick or treat. And look at this one, it's perfect. It says, "Happy Haunting." That is amazing. That's actually perfect arrow, because sometimes when I do my path for the trick-or-treaters, it comes down the center sometimes, and then it jogs over to my driveway area. And I put up a little handmade arrow pointing that way, but this is actually perfect. It points the right direction to point the trick-or-treaters as they come down the path, go that way, down the other path to the trick-or-treats. And then I'll have to find some use for happy. I don't want to put this outside though, because I don't want it to get messed up. So we'll have to find some fun place to hang this here inside. So happy haunting, trick-or-treat, love them. Thank you very much. All right, let's see what else. This little ghost is cute too, isn't he? Here we go. So this is, "Hi, please enjoy this mask from Halloween Inflatable Geek." Guessing this is a mask I should be wearing when I am outside. So it says "Happy Haunting" on the little banner, and then kind of when you open it up, you can see Jack Skellington. I love it. I don't know. I probably should have washed it before putting it on, huh? Is that bad? Because coronavirus and all that. Quarantine. I'm sure it's been good in the mail. Anyway, thank you very much, Halloween Inflatable Geek. That was very thoughtful. I can't wait to wear this. Is it too early? Am I going to look a little weird? I don't know. Might do it anyway. But I really appreciate that. That was wonderfully thoughtful. So again, make sure everyone that you check out Halloween Inflatable Geek's channel, and make sure that you let them know I sent you. But that'll do it for today. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. Take care, stay safe, happy haunting.